Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to return an item on AliExpress. Open AliExpress application on your phone and go to your account at the bottom right corner of the screen and go to My Orders section. Now we want to find an order that you want to return and then tap on it to open its details and find the button Returns and Refunds. So now your screen should look approximately like this. First of all, you should answer a few questions, and the first question is, did you receive your parcel? And you should select Yes option. Next question, do you want to return your item? And here you should select Yes option as well. Now here you should select reason why do you basically want to request your return. So here tap this arrow and you will see options. Tap continue button. Now here in this field you have to indicate a refund amount, of course, if you want to get your refund. Then tap continue button, and now in this field you have to confirm your return method. So there are two methods available. The first one is AliExpress free return service, and second one is self drop off. So think about it and decide for yourself which one will work out better, and tap it to select. Tap continue button, and here in this box you can provide additionally more information about your situation. So write a few sentences where you in details describe what exactly happened so that your seller understands your situation more, and that way you have higher chances of seller approving your request. And finally here you can upload your photos, screenshots and videos as evidence. And finally, do not forget to submit your request. Usually requests take a few business days to be approved. And finally, when your request is approved, go back to AliExpress and make sure that you find your return label. So in order to find it, you need to go to My Orders section, find order that you want to return, go for it, and go to Dispute page. And there you will see your free return label. But there's a thing that you have a deadline of 5 days to do that, and if you missed that deadline, your case will be closed, and unfortunately you will not be able to reopen that dispute, and in consequence you will not be able to return your item back. So download that label and print it out. Next, carefully pack your parcel and stick your label to it, and after receiving your label you have 15 days to get your parcel at the nearest local post office, and basically wait until your package will arrive to your seller. So yeah, that were the main points on how to return an item on AliExpress. But if you still have some questions and you don't understand something, I will show you now how to access some additional information. So at your homepage you should open some random item, then scroll down to section free returns right here and press learn more button. Scroll down and go to free returns section, and now you have it. So here you can access step-by-step instructions with photos how to make a return, and also some additional information about returns and also refunds. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.